In this video, I'm going to show you how to view the nutrients details per food in MacroFactor. So what you'll need to do first is simply, if you have the application downloaded, that's good. If you don't, go and download it from any store that you have in your phone. Of course, if you do have it, just go and access and make sure to log in into an account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, just go and create an account. The application is paid, but you can, as an example, get a 7 days free trial. It's not completely free because you will have to pay $1 to try it for 7 days. If you like it, then you can start working with it and pay the plan of it. So now we would like to view nutrient details for per food, of course, in MacroFactor. Of course, I am on the dashboard. If I scroll down here, you'll find the nutrition. Here you'll be able to see all the nutrition details, but this is what you already ate. That's not per food. If you want to see per food, you'll have to go to this food log. So in this food log, I can go, let's say example, and just click on search for food. Here, you'll be able to search for a specific food. Let's say I want to see the nutrition detail for a banana. So I'm just going to see here, fresh banana. The calories at 120, 1 gram of protein, 0 gram of fat, and 20 or 31 gram of carbs. And of course, this is like a large banana. As you can see, you'll be able to see everything about it. So the carb breakdown, the fat breakdown, protein breakdown, and everything. And you'll be able also to add it if you ate it, like the vitamins that comes with it, the minerals, as example, and others as well. This is for a banana. You can also do it for everything else, like an apple. I don't know what you eat, so it's totally up to you. So let's say, example, beans. You ate beans or something like that. You ate potato. Totally up to you. Just choose whatever you want, click on it, and you'll be able to see all the nutrition details. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.